So today I'll show you how I do my 4-step cleaning. Step number 1, I do an ultrasonic scaling. With ultrasonic scaler, we loosen the deposits that are around the neck of the teeth. You can see how clean and nice her teeth looks. And when we will start scaling, I'll show you the amount of deposits that we can take out through the use of hand scalers and also ultrasonic scalers. So we are done with step number 1. Now we'll do step number 2, which is hand scaling. So with the help of hand scaler, we will remove deposits that are stuck around the areas where the ultrasonic scaler cannot reach. So you see these are these very tiny deposits stuck in between teeth. This can cause gum inflammation and also resorption of the alveolar bone. It's very crucial to use these hand scalers so that you get rid of the entire plaque and calculus left behind after ultrasonic scaling. You can see the bleeding, how extensive it is. So if gums bleed like this during scaling, it means that gums are really inflamed, which might not look so inflamed upon the first visual examination, but once you start scaling and start removing the deposits, the bleeding is too much. Yeah, okay, so we are done with hand scaling. Now the third step is use of airflow. And what we do, with airflow, it's filled with sodium bicarbonate powder that helps remove the stains from the teeth surfaces, and also it's good for gums. Now the last step, which is polishing. So we take a polishing brush, and with the help of a polishing paste, we do the final step. We are done.